Attach the bottom frame to tray with the protrusion facing the rear of the tray. Screw on the bolts and washers, but don't tighten yet. Attach the lock assembly to tray. Tighten all the previously installed hardware. Attach the front frame to bottom frame and tighten hardware. Attach the rear axle to frame and tighten hardware. Attach the front axle to frame and tighten hardware. Slide wheels and washers onto axle and secure with hairpins. Attach the drawbar to front axle. Attach the handle to drawbar.